Hi, welcome to the customization of corpus-based MT engines tutorial series. Here is a summary of the quality outcomes between Training 1 and Training 2. As you can see, the word count for the language model has increased as well as the one for the translation model. Regarding the automated metrics, the F measure improved almost 20%. Blue scored 22%, and it now scores 65%. And the post-editing effort has clearly dropped 24%. The next step would be to confirm if this improvement is reflected as well on the output text. In terms of accuracy, Training 2 shows fewer undertranslations and reflects better the desired terminology. However, Training 2 features poorer fluency than Training 1. In this case, the engine struggles with alphabetized lists. Now that you know the basics on how to train corpus-based engines, you may continue further improving your engine. In case you would like to continue practicing with this exercise, you may take the following steps. You have completed this tutorial series. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please like it. MT Technology for everyone.